In this video, we will see how to fill the option form for CAP round 1 for direct second year engineering admission. Now, under this section, undergraduate courses, click on this direct second year engineering. Now you can fill your option form for CAP round 1 by using the candidate login. So first we have to log in for filling the option form. So simply click on this registered candidate login. Now enter the application ID and the password. Add the numbers, add the CAPTCHA by adding the given number or subtracting the given numbers. Then click on login. Now this is the interface which you will get after the login. Now you have to click on this section, fill CAP round 1 option form under the option form for CAP round 1. Okay, so simply click on fill CAP round 1 option form. Now these are the steps which you can see over here. First you have to select the courses, then you have to update the choice code, then you can change the preferences if you want. Then at the end you have to confirm the option form for CAP round 1 which you have filled. Now certain instructions has been given over here. Okay, this you have to read. Now the candidate whose name is there in final merit list, they are only eligible for filling this option form. All the options selected by the candidates will be shown. To set the preferences, candidates need to select the particular choice code. So these are the certain instructions which has been given. Now maximum 300 choice code you can select, means maximum 300 colleges you can select at the one time for filling one option form. Okay, so minimum can be any number, maximum is 300. Okay, more than 300 selection is not allowed, but maximum 300 colleges you can select. Now after reading the instructions, you can click on this tab, that is start filling. Now the login ID and password which I've used, that is of mechanical engineering student, and this state level merit number, that is also being shown over here. Okay, now you have to select the courses in which you are looking for the admission. Okay, now I have selected mechanical engineering. Okay, with that mechanical engineering I can select automobile engineering also. Okay, as per my convenience, in which branch I want to take the admission, control F. If I want to take admission production engineering, then I will also select this production engineering option also. Okay, I can select computer electronics. Okay, I can select any courses. Okay, after diploma there is no restriction on the courses. Okay, at the bachelor level. Now then after you have to select the institute type, which should be government or government aided. So I have selected all the institutes. Okay, minority, non-minority, autonomous, non-autonomous. Then you have to select the universities. So I have selected this Mumbai University. Okay, and autonomous institutes. Okay, now this Shivaji University is also there. This Savitribai Phule University, which is also known as Pune University. So you have to select the university. I've selected the Mumbai University over here. Then you have to select the district, in which district you want to take the admission. So I've selected Mumbai City, Mumbai Suburban, and Palghar. Okay, and remove all the options. Okay, I've selected only 3 districts. So this is how I've selected the courses. I've selected the institute types. Okay, government, aided, non-aided, autonomous. Then I've selected the universities as Mumbai University. Then go for the district. Okay, in which district you want to take the admission. Then click on save and proceed. Now the district and university. Okay, as per your selection, the college list will come in front of you. Okay, so this is the college list, which is these are the colleges which are available in Palghar. Okay, in Thane and in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Okay, as per the my selection, and all these colleges comes under Mumbai University. Obviously, I've selected this Mumbai University. Then you have to select the college in which you are looking to take the admission. Okay, I'm selecting the colleges VGTI, then SP. Okay, you can see the branches also. In VGTI, I'm selected the production. In VGTI, I've selected the mechanical. In Thakur, I'm selecting the mechanical. Thakur. Okay, then San Francisco, which is in Borivali, which is in Bandra, selected the mechanical. Then Vidyavardhani College of Engineering, which is in Vasai, I've selected the mechanical branch of that. Okay, then after this Borivali, St. Francis, then Rizvi College is also having mechanical engineering. Vilepalle College of Engineering is also having mechanical. Okay, so as per the district, I got the list of the college, and from that list, I have selected some of the college in which I am looking to take the admission. Okay, so this is very important. You have to select the college very carefully. First, you make the list, then after uh, fill this option form. Okay, first you make the list in which college you are looking to take the admission. That is very important. And as per your list, you should select the all the colleges as per your convenience, as per your choice. Now after selecting the colleges, click on this save and proceed. Okay, now you have to finalize the preference. Okay, you have to give the preference, means in which college you want to take the admission first. Okay, so I'm keeping VGTI mechanical on the top. Okay, you can see this arrow. Okay, green arrow. By using this arrow, you can bring the college on the upper side and on the bottom side. Okay, you can scroll the college. I'm keeping Sardar Patel on the upper side, then Vidyavardhani. Okay, then Rajiv Gandhi. Okay, I'm taking a Thakur on the upper side, then San Francisco. Then I'm keeping this Vidyavardhani on the upper side, then San Francisco Borivali, then this Bandra. I'm keeping this DJ Sangwe below Vartak, that is Vidyavardhani College of Engineering, then Thakur, then Rajiv Gandhi, then San Francisco, then Rizvi College, then St. Francis, then Don Bosco. Okay. Now after providing the preference to this college, okay, you have selected this VGTI mechanical on the first preference, then VGTI production on the first preference. Okay, now Sardar Patel mechanical on the third preference. Okay, so after finalizing the preferences, you have to click on this save and proceed. Okay, then click on this OK. Now you have to finalize over here again. Okay, this is your first preference, VGTI mechanical. Then VGTI production is your second preference. Okay, the preference which you have selected on the previous page, that is being shown over here. Okay, you have to finalize again. You have to confirm once again. Okay, then Sardar Patel mechanical, then Vidyavardhani College of Engineering mechanical. So this is how you have to confirm your preferences. Now once you have confirmed your preferences, you have to enter your password. Okay, which password you have used for the login purpose. Then you have to click on the confirm. Okay, after that, one OTP will come on your mobile number. You have to enter that OTP and you have to click on the submit button. Okay, that will be the last step. Okay, after entering the password, you will get the OTP. Simply you have to enter that OTP. Okay, and then you have to click on the confirm. So that will be the last step. Once OTP you have inserted and you have clicked on the submitted button, That means what? You have filled your option form. Okay. That means your option form has been filled. Okay. Now after that, you can take the printout of your option form. Okay. Now if you want to change at this stage, if you want to change the courses, okay, you want to change the college name, okay, so simply you can click on this select courses, and you can you will come on this page. Okay. Now again, you can select this. If you want to take admission in industrial, if you have changed your mind that no, I am looking for the admission in computer engineering. Okay. Let us check computer engineering, and then let us check IT, that is information. Okay. Then click on save and proceed. Okay. Suppose you have this, then you can select this VGTI information, VGTI computer also as per your convenience. Okay. Then computer information of, let us say, computer San Francisco you are looking for. Okay. Now Vidyavardhan is computer and IT you are looking for. Okay. So you can save and proceed. If you want to change the college name, change the preference, okay, you want to change anything, now you can see which I have added, all those I can see. Okay. Now you have to scroll that on the upper side. Okay, as per your convenience. Now for example, let us assume that this is your preference. Okay, you want to take in admission VGTI for mechanical production, computer, IT, or any other branch, you can select also that. Okay, there is no restriction, you can select any branch. Okay, any course. Then click on save and proceed. Okay, then you have to verify the preferences. Okay, what are the college you have selected? Okay, you have kept VGTI mechanical on the first, VGTI production on the second, VGTI computer on the third, VGTI information on the fourth. Similarly, Vidyavardhani information technology on the fifth number. So you have to verify the these preferences. Okay, then you have to enter the old password, then you have to click on the confirm. Now after clicking on the confirm by entering the old password, one OTP you will get. You have to enter that OTP and you have to click on the submit button. So that is very important. Okay, you have to verify this list again and again. Okay, now once the list is verified, then only enter the password and then only click on the confirm button. Okay, so after submitting the OTP, okay, your option form will be filled. Okay, and after that you can download the option form, okay, which you have filled. uh, Now I'll be making some more videos on this direct secondary engineering admission. Okay, so you can subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. अच्छा ही बनाओ।